to my YouTube channel. My name is Anni and today you're going to be cooking with me. So today we're going to be making shawarma. If you guys know me, if you've hung out with me, you know my favorite food is shawarma. I love it so much. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make it in the easiest way possible. It's very easy. I know it seems complex, but it's not. Just follow the steps detailedly. Do not miss any step. I mean, you can customize it to your own taste, but just follow everything I do, and trust me, your shawarma will be coming out in flying colors. Make sure you guys tag me in your videos because I would love to see how your shawarma came out. So we're going to be going through all the ingredients you need. They're basically things you can get in any grocery store, in the markets, wherever you shop. So they're just simple, basic things. So the first thing we have are meats, and I'm going to be using chicken. You can either use beef or chicken. This is chicken thighs. You can use chicken breast, boneless. And then here we have cabbage, which will be part of what will go inside. Here we have a ketchup, mayo. In Nigeria you can call it bama. So hot dogs or whatever sausage you might want, paprika right here, garlic, black pepper. Here we have our Maggi, or you can use Nor or any type of seasoning you want. Here's my Yaji. You don't have to do this, but I like to put Yaji. And then sugar. You can take this out. The first time I made shawarma, I didn't put any sugar, or you can decide to substitute that with the salad cream, Heinz, or whatever it's called. I think it's called Heinz. You can decide to substitute with that. This is tortilla bread. So if you have flatbread, if you can find flatbread in your stores, go ahead and use it. But this can also work, whatever type of bread you find, honestly. Just use it. So let's just get right into making the shawarma. Our chicken has been shredded into smaller pieces. So right now I'm just going to season it. You can choose to add everything here or take out whatever you want to take out. Just make it your own dish, basically. So I'm going to be baking these in 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I think in Celsius is about 150 or something like that. I will check it and put it somewhere in the description box or somewhere in the video. But I'll be baking this for 15 minutes. You can use a grill, but I usually just put in the oven and just keep it there to bake so I don't have to constantly check on it. We're doing things the easy way out here. So now we're going to cream our cabbage. So I will be using mayo, and I'll just transfer the cabbage. So we basically done all the mixes we need to do. As you can see, shawarma is not that hard. It's pretty much easy. Here we have the shredded chicken, which we can fry. You can either choose to grill this or bake this, your choice. Then here we have the cabbage, creamed up cabbage, and then I'm just going to pour this sauce, which you guys saw me make, in here. We're just going to mix this in. I love my shawarma very creamy. You can control the consistency of everything you do. If you don't like it too creamy, you don't have to make it too creamy. Do whatever works for you. So we're going to be using 2 slices. This is the back. And just keep it this way. So guys, we have all the shawarmas all wrapped up. I think the hardest part might be actually wrapping the shawarma, but every other thing is just simply straightforward. So I'm gonna put this in a grill. You can choose to use a grill. The first time I did it, I just put it in an oven because I didn't have an indoor grill, or you could just do it on a frying pan on the stove. I have also tried that method, but today we will be using a grill. Okay guys, so that ends the video for today. Hope you guys learned something, and if you have any questions, just let me know. You can send me a DM on Instagram or leave a comment in the section box below. I decided to wrap mine in foil paper just so that when you're eating it, it's easier and it doesn't leak out. Let me know if you guys do try this recipe and how it works out for you, and I will see you guys in my next video. Love y'all.